Hello everyone, Coach Carole here with a behind the scenes look for my planning for my stories in ancestral storytelling. I'm sharing my screen with you today to show you my favorite tool, Trello. In this Trello board, I can plan what I'm doing across the whole year. And you'll see that I started with some planning in December of last year. If I click into that, it will show me what I had planned to do. For example, 12 ancestors in 12 months. And I'm looking into researching the McCulloch clan now. So this month's post or story is about Alexander McCulloch and his wife Helen Wright Fish. So I put those two into a checklist, and when I had done the story and posted it in a blog post, I could tick them off here. I've also included all of the themes for 2023 from Amy Johnson Crow's program, and you'll see that week 1 was all about I'd like to meet. Now I have posted a story and I'll give you a link to that at the end of this video. That was one checklist. Another is over here in January, where I'm doing the 30 days 30 tips challenge. And when I click into this and scroll through, you'll see that I have several ideas on what topics I'm going to be writing about. And towards the bottom here, I have a set of the questions that I used to structure my first 7 posts or tips for you during last week. And as I did each one, I could tick them off in here. Creating a Trello board is a wonderful way to start planning your ancestral stories. And if